Before we get to the fun, you are going to need some things, okay? Make sure you get yourself a mixing bowl or a dyeing bowl. I got mine Forever 21 for less than $3. A pack of bleach from Sally's for $2. Also, get yourself some developer. I use 40 developer and it worked perfectly fine for what we need, okay? Then some purple conditioner and shampoo just to remove the orange tones. Then you are going to need your lace closure. Mine is brought to you by Unice hair, which you can find on AliExpress. So as you can see, I put a little bit of the bleach into the mixing bowl and then I put a little bit of developer and I mixed it up, and I keep on repeating this step because I want to get the perfect consistency of the bleach. You do not want it too loose, you do not want it too clumpy, so you just keep on repeating the step until you get the right consistency. Test, you lift it up and see if it falls off. But once you get that perfect developer, you are A1 and it is ready to be put on your closure. Okay, so we're getting to the fun part of the video, the fun part of bleaching your hair, the fun part of bleaching the knots. But does anybody know what the real purpose of bleaching your knots is? Yes, no, maybe so. Well, the real purpose of bleaching your knots is so when you part your hair, that the part looks like your scalp. Any parts that you make into the closure while wearing your wig or wearing your sewing, that it will look like your scalp. Because of course the knots are black and your scalp is not black. So if it is, you need to get that checked out. But yeah, we're going to bleach him and you are going to pat the bleach on top of the lace. You do not want to spread it because if you spread it, it's possible that the bleach will penetrate into the hair and then the roots of your hair may be blonde, and we do not want blonde roots for this video. But if you want blonde roots, go right ahead. You might want to check out another video because I don't know how to do blonde roots. Make sure you get all the way to the ends of the closure. Make sure you get all the way to the top where the part is uncut. You don't have to go all the way to the top, but make sure you just go to where the hairline stops, because you do not want any black dots on your hairline because that's going to look ugly. And people will be like, yeah girl, that's not your hair. We're supposed to be tricking these people to think that this is our hair, okay? To make people believe that we got these inches and that we are foreign, although our black power, we are all of those things. So why do people hate? I do not know. The tea. But continue doing this until the whole thing is covered, and then we will go to the next step. Now it's time for the bleach to sit and marinate on our lovely closure. So you can either leave it out on the counter and just sit there, or if you want to speed up the process like I did, take some aluminum foil, put the hair in the aluminum foil, fold up, but do not pat the aluminum foil onto the closure because then the bleach comes off. So just lightly close it, and then that way it generates some heat and it speeds up the process. And have it sit there for at least 30 to 20 minutes because, yeah, that's what it needs. So after your bleach sits for about 30 minutes to about an hour, you are going to rinse off the bleach. And then run the water downward off of the closure, but have the bleach fall into the sink so it's not falling onto the hair. And as you can see, the knots are all bleach. You can see that it's very orangey, but we don't want it to look orange because our scalp is not that orange. So then that's when your purple shampoo and conditioner is going to come into play. The purple shampoo, it cancels out all the orange tones and it just mellows it out. Alright, so that's what you're going to do. Apply that on there, massage it and work it into the closure, and also massage it onto the hair because you're also washing out any dye or any smell that could be onto the hair if you did not co-wash your hair first. So just massage it all in there, you know, scrub it up, scrub it up, dub. Rinse it off. Then you are going to take your conditioner and do the same thing. Just marinate it on there and rub it up, dub, and you should be good to go. And then look how that closure looks on my finger and on my hand. That looks like a scalp to me, okay? That looks like a real scalp, honey. Have these people fooled. Ball to wear. I ain't got no edges where, okay?